though, right? Finally leaving work. Got the next 2 days off. That's enough time for an adventure. All right, that's better. Right, so it is about 8 p.m. Needless to say, it's a little bit later than I would have wanted to start heading to the island, but that's just how things go sometimes. Beautiful out here right now. The water actually feels warm. All that rough water back there, that was all from the tide. Look at all these pelicans. Since it's getting dark, we are going to cut diagonally across open water. This is something I actually wouldn't do during the day because there would be so much boat traffic. Right now, I think we can get away with it. It's gonna save us about 30 minutes. When I'm out here, especially at night, my head is on a swivel. You just cannot be too safe. We are just a couple minutes away. Feels good to make it here. Good morning. It's about 7 o'clock. I got about 7 hours of sleep, so that's pretty good. What's for breakfast? A lox bagel. That's good. You know, I want to go grab a coffee, and there's another island nearby that's actually inhabited. That is an old lighthouse from the 1800s, I believe, which you can hear interrupting me. We're actually just around the corner from the Coast Guard, so that makes me feel a lot safer. Hello? Hi. Oh, I'm so excited.
So excited. Too fast.
Thank you. The bird really just on me. Oh my God. There was a nice guy that let me use the hose and I got clean. Can I go through?
No.
How do I get back to the beach?
Hi, you are currently being recorded.
We should check this out. If we can even get in here. Whoa. Well, that was cool. It does feel really good to get back. My home for the night. So relaxing. I think it's time to move though. So I have my tent set up kind of a ways away from the actual campsite, just because I wanted to utilize this platform here. One of the few flat surfaces on the beach. And I'll show you all an inside perspective. It's a one-person tent, perfect just for me. 50-degree sleeping bag, so it's perfect for the summer. Got my inflatable pillow, 2 sleeping pads. I've got my inflatable and my closed-celled foam right underneath here. Oh god, I fucking stepped on a nail. It really hurts. It really hurts. Oh.
But I want everyone to take out their phone because we know you've played this song on your Instagram lately. Wait till it drops.
Oh. Cereal, keep it nice and simple. That was fun, but time to head home. Finally, the home stretch. Well, that was great. I think we had a lot of fun. I think we learned a few things. I'm already thinking about what's next. It almost feels weird being back on land and driving around. I feel like I got a week-long vacation in the span of a weekend. I almost forgot about the hole in my foot. I'll see y'all next time.